I have a problem regarding the exhaust bolt, taking out the exhaust bolt of this urban cruiser, and as I take it out, the bolt is gone. Oh, it is already rip off the thread. But you can do it yourself. It's if you don't have the replacement bolt. I bought A2 stainless steel bolt. This should be 80 mil and M10, and I fabricated a stopper for the spring. But I did mistakes on doing this because I tapped it with the wrong thread. I should tap it with the uh, original thread. Hold on. The original thread of this thing, this one, is like this. So I went to Toyota garage and I order exhaust flange bolt, but they give me the wrong one. So it takes maybe 10 days or 7 days to have that thing, and they are not sure anyway if they will get the right one. So I decided to tap it with this, but I did a mistake. Honestly, when you're doing this, you should check the right tap for the thread. And I went to the shop and I asked them about what the exact tap for this. So they give me this one, but it's too late. Oh, this is a big difference there. This is very fine than that, but it's not end of the world. So I bought these bolts for €2, stainless A2 bolts. And if you can buy the A41, it's much better, but this should do. But maybe after 1 year or less than 1 year, you should take it off and change it again and make another one of these. Okay, I'll show you how I did it. And by the way, I tapped with M10 tap. So I'll show you that's the finished product of the thing. And I it's perfect fit, but the the problem is it's too long. So I'll show you how I did. So we need to copy this by making some technique like this, you get another nut. You can see that A2 stainless steel, and put like this. It's maybe the other one is much better. We'll use this as a template. Yeah, like that. And we will grind to make it round. Oh, wrong way. So we need to round it just like that. Around the corner until it is round. Until it's round like that. So after that, we need to put a Loctite so that it will. I bought a Loctite nut lock. Yeah, this is made in UK. And put a little bit on there, on that spot, and so that that nut, that improvised circle nut, will stay in place, so that when you tighten it, it will lock. Same thing as this. Same thing as this thing. So I'll show you the finished product and I will put it on. Thank you. So it's round already, and it will go through. Perfect. So put it in first, put the washer, and just take it like that, and put a Loctite on it so that it will stay in place.